Children, welcome you in bio class. Children, today I am going to teach you about human skeleton. Human skeleton form the framework of the body. Skeleton is composed of bone and cartilage. Human skeleton is made of 206 bone. So, to study in detail about the human skeleton, you see this is the front view of the human skeleton, and this one is back, and this is lateral view. So, in the front view, we are taking first the human skeleton is divided into two parts. One is axial skeleton and second is appendicular skeleton. In the axial skeleton is coming skull, vertebrae, sternum and ribs. So this portion is called skull. This portion is the vertebrae. These structures are called ribs, and the bone which present in the center of the thorax that is called sternum. It is also known as breastbone. So these bones are coming in the axial skeleton. Now next you see appendicular skeleton. So in the appendicular skeleton there is girdle. Two girdles are, one is pectoral girdle, that is also known as shoulder girdle. So there is pectoral girdle is present. Other is hip girdle or pelvic girdle. So this structure is of hip girdle. Now next is limbs. So we have two pairs of limbs. This is the forelimbs and there is hind limbs. Two pair of limbs are present. If you see the back view of human skeleton, then this portion is called skull, and this is the vertebrae. This is vertebrae, and there are ribs. There are two girdle I told. One is the pectoral girdle. This is the parts of the pectoral girdle. Other is hip girdle, that is present in the hip region. It is known as hip girdle or pelvic girdle. Now hind limbs are, these are the bones of hind limbs, and this is forelimbs. So this I told the general structure. Now you see in detail. I told human skeleton consists of 206 bones, and it had divided into two parts. First is the axial skeleton and second is appendicular skeleton. In the axial skeleton is coming skull. Skull is made up of 22 bones. So this portion is the skull. It is made up of 22 bones. There are two parts of the skull. One is cranium, that is the brain box. This portion is cranium or brain box. Other is face. In the face, lower jaw and upper jaw. Cranium is made up of 8 bones and face is made up of 14 bones. So total 22 bones are present in the skull. Now we are taking vertebrae. So there total 33 bones are present in the vertebrae. This vertebrae is divided into 5 parts. So these 5 parts, first is the cervical vertebrae. Cervical vertebrae is present in the neck region. So this portion is the cervical vertebrae. Now next you see thoracic vertebrae. So this portion is called thoracic vertebrae. After that, lumbar vertebrae. So this one is the lumbar vertebrae. Then sacral vertebrae. And after that, last one is the coccygeal vertebrae. So this last portion is here, that is the coccygeal vertebrae. So vertebrae has divided into 5 parts. 7 vertebrae are present in the neck region, that is cervical vertebrae. 12 vertebrae are present in the thorax region, that is thoracic vertebrae. 5 are present in the lumbar region, that is lumbar vertebrae. 5 are present in the sacral region, but all the 5 has fused together and form one bone, that is sacrum. Like this in coccygeal region, 4 vertebrae are, all the 4 has fused together, form a single bone, that is coex. So therefore, in the adult human being, total vertebrae is only 26, but in the child we are getting 33, because these 5 vertebrae of sacral region fused together form one bone, 4 vertebrae of coccygeal region fused together form one bone. So therefore 7 in the neck region, 12 in the thorax region, 5 in the lumbar region, and 5 in the sacral region, 4 in the coccygeal region. Altogether 33 in the child. In the adult, 7 neck region, 12 thorax region, 5 lumbar region, and 1 sacral and 1 coccygeal. Then 26 vertebrae are. Next, I tell you about the ribs. So there are 12 pairs of ribs. So these bones are ribs. These are 12 pairs. In that, first 7 pair ribs are called true ribs. First 7 pairs of ribs are true ribs. And 8, 9 and 10 mean after that 3 pairs of ribs are false ribs, and last 2 pair, that is 11th and 12th, they are called floating ribs. So true ribs are those ribs which are attached to the sternum. The ribs which are not attached to the sternum but to fuse together, join to the 7th pair of ribs, they are known as false ribs. And last 2, 11th and 12th pair of ribs, they are not attached with anyone, they are known as floating ribs. And in the center, there one bone is present. So this bone is called sternum, or it is also known as breastbone. So children, I told about the axial skeleton. For 22 bones are present in the skull, 26 bones are present in the vertebrae, 24 bones are present in the ribs, and 1 single bone is present in the sternum. Beside this, there are 6 bones in the ear. They are tiny bones which I am not shown here. The name of these tiny bones are malleus, incus and stapes. They are present in the ear. They are known as ear oculars. 3 in the left ear and 3 are in the right ear. So these bones are coming in the axial skeleton. Now next you see appendicular skeleton. So in the appendicular skeleton, first you see the structure of girdle. First girdle is this is the pectoral girdle or shoulder girdle. Pectoral girdle is made up of two triangular bone. So this triangular bone, this is the triangular bone that is called scapula, and beside this triangular bone there is clavicle. Clavicle is the collarbone. So these bones is the clavicle, that is the collarbone. So two clavicle and two scapula, that is forming the shoulder girdle. In the scapula a cavity is present. This cavity is called glenoid cavity, and in the glenoid cavity the bone of upper forearms, this bone of upper forearm is called humerus. It is going to fit in the glenoid cavity of scapula. Other is pelvic girdle. This is the pelvic girdle, that is also known as hip girdle. This pelvic girdle or hip girdle is made up of many bones, and the bones of the hip girdles are, that is the innominate bone. This bone is the innominate bone, and their lower side, these are the pelvic bone. In the center, this is the sacrum, and down one here is the cox. So once more you see, in the pectoral girdle, what are the different bones are? So this bone is the innominate bone. Other you see, this bone is the pubis bone, and in the center this bone is the sacral bone, and downward here is the bone present, that is cox bone. So they are forming hip girdle. In the hip girdle there is a cavity. The cavity is called, there is a cavity. This cavity is called acetabulum. In the acetabulum, head of the femur is going to fit. So this I told about the girdle, hip girdle. So there are two girdle, one is shoulder girdle or pectoral girdle, other is hip girdle or pelvic girdle. Now next you see the bones of limbs. So in the limbs, this portion is coming in the forelimbs. In the forelimbs, there many bones are present. This bone is the humerus. There are two bones, one is radius and other is ulna. Again in the wrist, this bone is the carpal. In the palm, metacarpal. Then now in the finger, so bones present in the finger, these bones are known as phalanges. So these are phalanges. So in the forearms, humerus, that is in the humerus, it is present in the upper arm. Radius ulna, the bone which is towards the side of the thumb, this is the thumb, and this side which bone is present in the lower arm, that is the radius, and which bone is present towards the little finger, that is ulna. In the wrist there are 8 bones are present, that is carpals. In the palm region there are 5 bones are present, these bones are metacarpals. In the finger 14 bones are present, that is phalanges. So altogether 30 bones are present in the one forearm. We have 2 arms, therefore total bones are 60. Now you see the bones of hind limbs. So in the hind limbs, this bone is thigh bone, that is called femur, and there are 2 bone, tibia and fibula in the leg. So there, which bone is towards the big toe, that is tibia, and little toe toward the side of the little toe, that is fibula. At the joint of femur and tibia fibula, this joint is knee joint, and there one bone is present. This bone is known as knee cap or patella. Now next you see the bones which are present in the foot. So in the ankle there is tarsal. 7 bones are present in the tarsal. 5 bones are present metatarsal here in the foot, and 14 phalanges. So altogether bones in the hind limbs, one is femur, patella, and there is fibula and tibia fibula. This is the tarsal, metatarsal and phalanges. 1 femur, 1 patella, 2 bones are tibia and fibula. 7 bones are tarsals, 5 are metatarsal, 14 are phalanges. So altogether these bones are also 30. So 30 in bones are in the left limb, left, and 30 in the right. So total are 60. So 60 bones are present in the hind limbs and 60 bones are present in the up 4 limbs. So 120 bones are present only in the limbs. So children, I had explained you here the different bones which are found in the human body. So these bones will form the framework, shape of the body, and provide protection to the internal organs, and they are helping in the locomotion.